Jerry was a quite hard-working bricklayer who believed that humility and effort would always pay off. He worked for a construction company owned by Frank, a man known for his sharp suits, expensive sunglasses, and cruel tongue. Frank constantly mocked his workers, especially Jerry. You are too slow. You will never be more than our neighbor. He did shout while everyone else laughed nervously. Jerry never talked back. He just kept working, steady, precise, and dependable. Over the years, he became the company's best worker. But instead of recognition, he only got more blame. One evening, after another harsh outburst, Jerry sat in his old truck and almost believed Frank's words. Then he remembered what his late father used to tell him. Never let a man who builds nothing tell you your worth. That night changed everything. Jerry decided to learn how the business worked. He studied how projects were managed, how clients were billed, and how estimates were made. At home, he watched tutorials, took free online courses, and saved every penny he could. For months, he prepared in silence until one day, after another insult, he placed his tool belt on Frank's desk and said, I think I have learned enough here. I am done. Frank laughed. You will come crawling back. Men like you never make it on their own. But Jerry did. He started his own small company, True Line, with just an old van and his reputation for quality. His first few jobs were small, but his honesty and craftsmanship quickly spread by the word of mouth. Within a year, he had a full team and more work than he could handle. Meanwhile, Frank's business began to collapse. His poor management and arrogance drove clients away. Eventually, the tables turned completely when Frank showed up as a subcontractor on a major project that Jerry's company had won. Jerry, you are running this job? Frank stammered. Yes, sir. Jerry replied calmly. Jerry treated him professionalism, never with the cruelty he did once received. Everyone on site knew who the real boss was now. Years later, Jerry bought the land where Frank's old office had stood and turned it into a training center, teaching young tradesmen to work with the skill and respect. When someone asked if it felt good to see his old boss fail, Jerry smiled and said, I did not build my success to destroy anyone. I built it to prove that hard work and respect still matter. That's just karma. So if you have been mocked or underestimated, remember Jerry, because the best revenge is not anger, it's success built with your own hands. If you loved this story, hit that like button and subscribe for more real life tales of poetic revenge and powerful comebacks, because sometimes the quietest workers write the loudest endings.